proposed the name of the speaker, UTC Legislative Assembly.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I propose the name of Sri Tridip Kaimari, MCLA of 36 number Bodisingar ST constituency, as Speaker of BTC.
I now request Honorable MCLA Sri Devhasa Bosumotari to second the name of the speaker of BTC Legislative Assembly.
I second the name of Sri Tridip Kaimari, MCLA as Speaker BTCLA.
Other candidate has been proposed as speaker BTC Legislative Assembly. I declare that Sri Tridip Kaimari is selected as speaker BTC Legislative Assembly unopposed. Kiri Antari Lady BTC Assembly Hall tonight. BTC Party the Assembly tinggal dengan hakikat ni dengan dana lain. BTC Sarkar ni now item number 5, selection of deputy speaker. Selection of deputy speaker BTCLA. This item will be taken up later on. I mean, this was the felicitation to whoever are newly elected. Sorry, number actually felicitation to the newly elected speaker. Kunma jodi kiba kobo ase moi subida disu gotike okole 3 minute ba 3 minute ke বক্তব্য রাখব পারি না অবশ্যই সেন্টার আমাদের স্পিকার জানেন আমরা जोंनि हाउसआव गासैबो BTCनि समस्या BTCनि जेसेबां जाथि बस्ति दङ बे जाथि बस्तिनि जाथि समस्या बिथांमोननि दुख बेदना बुजिनाय आरो खामानि मावनानै दुर खालामनाय बिनि खामानिखौ जोङो मोजाङै सावरायनो हागोन आरो बयबो बेवहाय समानै गणतान्त्रिक पद्धतिनि दारैहाय गणतान्त्रिक आरो संबिधानिक अधिकारजों जों बयबो साब्यस्त खालामनो हागोन